Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, November 23rd, and this is my full top-down analysis for the pound US dollar. We're starting on the monthly, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour. So on the pound dollar, I mean, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I still have two outcomes that don't really change from week to week. First one is that this is an A, this is an expanding wave B right here with a lower low, and then we're actually in an uptrend that will keep on going up for a wave C, potentially all the way up to like 1.5 and maybe even much, much higher if it turns into like a 261, 278% Fibonacci extension for an expanding wave C. But we cannot rule out the possibility, which I am definitely starting to think more and more is likely, that this is an A, this is a B, this is a C. We're going to make a lower high. This is just a pullback to the last wave down. It's going to make a lower high and just start a brand new downtrend. So if we keep that in mind, we go down to the weekly time frame, we definitely have a nice break of structure on the weekly. It's one of the only dollar pairs that actually has a nice break. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, break of structure. First push down is either A or 1. This is three waves up, either B or 2. Now we're either in a wave C, and if we're in a wave C, then it could turn to the back to the upside on any one of these fib levels and continue the higher time frame uptrend. If it's not a wave C, but it's really a wave 3, and this high up here is a wave C on the monthly, then this means that this is a wave 3 and that it will not break structure to the upside and it will actually keep on trending down, making lower lows and lower highs. So going down to the daily time frame, I mean, we cannot deny that the daily is down. Our most recent structure, because this hasn't made a new low yet, is actually still way up here. So to me, this pound dollar does look like it could become a little bit bullish, but honestly, this thing could do this, and it would still be a downtrend. And as long as it doesn't break this higher structure, it could make a big pullback right here in the middle. You know, this bottom right here could become a top, and then it could just keep on trending down. So technically, we are still in a downtrend, and I have a hard time not advising short still. But if we go down to the 4 hour time frame, there's a lot of reasons why if I feel like this could be going up, because this looks like a potential five-wave uptrend, like an A. This looks like potentially three waves down, wave B. This looks like potentially three waves up. I'm sorry, scratch that. So three waves down, A of B, and then three waves up, B of B with a higher high, so 3-3 pattern, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for a C. It looks like a flat and expanding 3-3-5 pattern, and it also went right to the 78%. The only thing that's really going to confirm this to be true is a break of structure to the upside, which we don't have. If it breaks structure to the upside, then I think it's going to start a brand new uptrend for a wave C, just like what I showed on the daily time frame. So that potentially could be a pretty good opportunity to trade to the upside, potentially for like a week or more, before it actually maybe continues the downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I have a hard time recommending logs until it breaks structure. And technically, the most recent structure in my eyes is right here. You could say that this is a structure break right here, which it kind of is because this is a double bottom. But really, I want to see this break and hold above this structure to confirm that this right here is a low. I have my Fibonacci retracement on the last little push down, the last little series of lower lows, lower highs. If it does turn down aggressively at a Fibonacci level without breaking this structure to the upside, then it definitely could continue the higher time frame downtrend at any time. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.